Have you ever thought about opening an online store but felt it was too hard or time-consuming? What if AI could build your full dropshipping store in minutes? No coding, no design skills, no product hunting. Today, I'm showing you Genstore, an AI-powered platform that helps you create, design, and launch a complete online store step by step. Let's start with the onboarding process. First, create your store. Now the AI asks you about your store style. Here are some smart prompts you can use. Create a modern fashion dropshipping store for young customers. Build a tech gadget store with trending products. Design a minimalist home decor online shop. After typing your prompt, wait a few seconds and the AI starts working. Now the real magic begins. Different AI agents start building your store automatically. One agent sets up product pages, another designs the homepage, and another organizes the layout. You can actually see each agent working and showing their progress. After a short wait, your full store is ready. You can preview it to check how everything looks. Now let's move to the launch guide. This is where Genstore helps you prepare your store for real selling. Step 1 is product finalization. If you need more products, the AI recommends more based on your niche. Helpful prompt here. Find trending dropshipping products for my store niche. The AI also suggests pricing ranges and keywords you can use for better sales. You can edit them anytime. Once you're happy, complete this step. The next step is setting your store name. You can ask AI for name ideas like suggest unique brand names for a fashion dropshipping store, create catchy store names for a tech product shop, or simply enter your own name. Step 4 is domain setup. You can use an AI-suggested domain or connect your own. Step 5 is payment setup. Genstore automatically turns on its payment system. You just review the details and adjust if needed. Step 6 is the shipping setup. The AI already adds default shipping rules. You can edit them to match your business plan. Once all these steps are complete, your store is fully ready. From zero to a complete online business, powered by AI. No stress, no complicated setup. Just simple steps guided by smart AI agents. And that's it for today's Genstore walkthrough. If you want to start dropshipping the easy way, Genstore makes it possible with AI doing most of the work. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe for more AI tools and tutorials, and comment below if you'd like me to test more platforms like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.